Let me tell you, if you've been hemming and hawing and been rude, if you've been hemming and hawing and really wanting to homeschool, the holidays are fast approaching, and now is one of the best times that you can take your child out of school and start your homeschooling process. And I'll give you a few reasons why. Your child's school is about to go on break, right? So utilize this break to start researching and finding out as much as you can about homeschooling laws in the state that you live in, and submit that letter of intent. While you are researching, you are taking this time to deschool or unlearn everything you thought school should look like, sound like, feel like, act like. It is a time for you to learn your child and really spend time with your child in a way that you probably haven't before. Or if you're not able to homeschool your child yourself, now is a good time to start looking into homeschool tutors or co-ops or other organizations that you can send your child to. And you get the perk of not having to rush straight into homeschooling and finding a curriculum right away. You can actually slow down and enjoy the time with your child, enjoy the season with your child without having to sacrifice or worry about sacrificing their education. Because even in the most strictest state, like New York, for example, you still have time to deschool or deprogram everything you believe school to be, while you are still, of course, researching and getting all your ducks in a row, your paperwork and what have you. As long as you have documented proof of what you are doing, a lot of things that you already do or should be doing with your kids count towards homeschool hours. Take spending time in the kitchen, whether you're cooking or baking. That covers pretty much all the core subjects. Don't forget, life skills is one of the most important subjects or topics to include in your homeschool that unfortunately traditional school don't focus on. So you have that flexibility as a homeschooler to add that into your routine. And like I said before, as long as you are documented, you will have your bases covered. If you are wanting to homeschool and you've been thinking about it for some time, let this be a sign to get the process started. All right. And if you need help, reach out to me. I would love to work with you one-on-one. I also have a holiday school guide on how to get those homeschool hours in without sacrificing the holidays and time spent with your family, all while embracing the holiday season and, like I said, getting them homeschool hours in. Because what we're not going to do is neglect our responsibilities. But there are many different creative ways to go about it. And my ebook covers a ton of different creative lessons for children's ages 4 to high school, okay? High school age. There are so many different lessons, recipe, craft ideas that are in my ebook that will not only satisfy your state requirement, but bring you together as a family and enjoy the season together without the stress, without the overwhelm, without spreading yourself thin. Okay? So if you are interested, hit me up and I'll send you the link for either my consultation services or my ebook. I hope you guys have a beautiful Christmas season. And don't forget, you already possess everything you need to homeschool your child. Don't let anybody else tell you different. Okay? Love you.